He installed a camera on his wife's grave. The discovery of the camera shocked the world. Growing up in a small town, Mike, a man with a broken heart, about to make a decision that would change his life. Just 6 months ago, ever since his wife died, something unexplainable has been happening around her grave. Every day, fresh flowers are inexplicably placed in front of the headstone. Fresh flowers are placed on it, and they don't change every day. Mysterious footprints were also found around the headstone. Sometimes when Mark visited her, the air smelled of her wife's favorite perfume. This made Mark wonder, because the smell of perfume made him miss her more and more. In order to find out the truth, Mark decided to install a hidden camera, hoping to find something. The camera was hidden behind a tombstone. It provides an unobstructed view of Lily's grave. However, that first night, nothing happened. The second night was the same, but on the third night, the camera recorded something unimaginable. When Mark saw the footage, he burst into tears. These images will shock you. Tap the plus sign to see part 2.